In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this REALME. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Battery section. Now tap on Advanced Settings and select Performance Mode. Finally, click on High Performance Mode and confirm your choice by choosing Turn On in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, High Performance is on. If you wish to switch it off, just tap on any other mode, like Smart One. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!